a UV sanitizer that emits a precise wavelength of light far more powerful than any spray or cleaning supply you've used before. It eliminates up to 99.9% of germs in a 360-degree radius, eliminating viruses, dust mites, allergens, bacteria, and more. And unlike sprays, it doesn't just sit on the surface. It penetrates deep into mattresses, carpets, walls, ceilings, and more, eradicating mold spores no matter where they hide. And the only thing it leaves behind is an incredibly fresh scent. Unlike air purifiers and sprays, it eliminates invaders and germs both in the air and on surfaces, without expensive filters, replacement spray bottles, or other long-term fees. It's a one-time purchase that protects your family all year long. It protects everyone: children, adults, babies, grandparents, dogs, and cats. And it does all of this without any scrubbing or hard work.